Hi friends, in the last class we discussed in the chapter of linear equation in one variable. The topic is how to solve the linear equations in one variable, that variable on one side. That is x plus 2 is equal to 5. Here x plus 2 is equal to 5. X is the variable that has on one side. By using the transposition method, by using the rules are when we are changing plus term to right side, it will become minus term will become a plus, multiplication sign will become a division, then division term will become a multiplication. This is called the transposition method to solve the equations when we are giving one variable on one side. Today we are going to discuss about the topic is solving equation that has variables on both sides. In the previous class I explained variable on only one side, that may be left side or right side, but in this class we have to solve the equations when the variables are given on both sides. Now I am going to take one example is 5x minus 1 is equals 2x minus 6. This is the simple equation or linear equation because the highest degree is 1. But in this problem, variables on both sides 5x and 2x. Here x is combined with 5, here also x is combined with 2. So here variables on both sides. Now I will explain how to solve this equation. Here I will say we have to use the transposition method. First of all, we have to write given the equation, that is 5x minus 1 is equals 2x minus 6. Always we have to take, always we have to transpose variable terms on LHS, then numerals on HS. In second step, we have to transpose this plus 2x to left side. Then 5x plus 2x will become a minus 2x. When it comes to from RHS to LHS, plus x will become a minus 2x. Then minus 1 is equal, here left term is minus 6 because 2x is transposed to left side. Then 5x minus 2x, these are like terms. 5x minus 2x is 3x equal to minus 6. Now we have to transpose this minus 12 to RHS. Minus 12 we have transposed to RHS. Already I said only variable terms should be on LHS, then remaining all the terms, that will numbers, we have transposed to right side of the equality sign. Minus 5 will become a, when we are changing from LHS to RHS, minus 12 will become a plus 12. Then 3x is equal 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6 is minus 6. 12 minus 6 is plus 6. 3x is equal to plus 6. Solving the equation means we have to leave only variable on left side, remaining all terms we have transposed to right side. Here 3x is equal to plus 6. 3 we have transposed to right side, but 3 is multiplied with x. If you transpose 3 to right side, it is divided to plus 6. Then x is 6 by 2. X is equal to 6 by 3. Then x is equal to 3 1 3 2. You can cut this 6 in the table 2 times. So we got the answer is 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. So the solution now, given the equation 5x minus 12 is equal to 2x minus 6, that is 2. How can we identify the 2 is the solution of given the equation? So we have to substitute in the equation instead of x, then in case we are getting that LHS equal to RHS, we can say that 2 is the solution of given the equation. This is the process to solve the equation when they are giving variables are both sides. Always you are transpose variable terms to left side, all the numbers to right side. The last we have to accept the variable, all the terms we have to change, we have transpose into RHS. Then the last, the variable value which is giving that is the solution of given the equation. Here we have compulsory use the rules are when we are transposing plus term to right LHS to RHS, that will become minus, minus will become plus, then multiplication will become addition, then division will become a multiplication. Just remember that 4 rules. Then we can find out the solution of given the equation. See one more example. Already you understood how to solve the simple equation when they are giving variables are both sides. Now I am going to explain one more problem where there are some binomials are given inside the bracket. See that example: 5 into x plus 2 minus 2 into 3 minus 4x is equal to 3 into x plus 5 minus 4 into 4 minus x. See, the difference between the previous problem and this problem. In the previous problem they are given direct monomials and numbers, but here on LHS and on RHS they are giving binomial, then product with monomial or numbers. See, 5 into x plus 2, 2 into 3 minus 4x, 3 into x plus 5, 4 into 4 minus x. X plus 2 is the binomial, 3 minus 4x is the binomial, on RHS x plus 5 is binomial, 4 minus x also binomial. In the first step, we have to remove the bracket according to the use of Gauss rule. Here, off is indicating multiplication. 5 of x plus 2, 2 of 3 minus 4x, 3 of x plus 5 minus 4 of 4 minus x. When we are going to remove this bracket, we have to multiply each and every term with 5, with 2, and with 3, and with 4. See, this 5 is multiplied with x and 2 also. That is 5 into x, 5x, then 5 into 2 is 10. 5 into x is 5x, 5 into 2 is 10. Same way, multiply 3 minus 4x by 2. 2 into 3, 6. Before the bracket minus is there, before the term minus is there, that will become a plus. Otherwise, minus into minus is plus. Then 2 into 5 by 3 and 4 minus x by 4. 3 into x 3x, then 3 into 5 is 15. Next 4 into 4 is 16. Then minus into minus is plus. 4 into x is 4x. In the next step, we have simplified the LHS and RHS. Simplified means like terms are there means we have to add and we have to subtract according to the symbols. 5x plus 8x. 5x plus 8x. Here 13x. 5x plus 8x is equal to 30x. 10 minus 6, 4. Here 3x, 4x. These are like terms. 3x plus 4x is equal to 7x. 50 minus 60 plus 15 minus 16. According to subtraction of integers, 15 minus 16 is equal to minus 1. So here plus 15 minus 16 is equal to minus 1. Now we have to take all the variable terms to left side, numerals to right side. Already on LHS 13x is there. Then we have to transpose plus 7x from RHS to LHS. Plus 7x will become a minus 7x is equal to minus 1. Then plus 4 we have to transpose to right side. Plus 4 when we are going to transpose right side, it will become a minus 4. Then 13x minus 7x is 6x. Minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. Therefore, x is equal minus 5 by 6. Because x is multiplied by 6 when we are transposed to right side, that is divided to minus 5. So 6x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal minus 5 by 6. This is the solution of given the equation. Okay students, you understood I think how to solve the linear equation when they are giving variables are both sides. Yes, in this you have to use the rules. 4 rules you are already I said that when we are going to transpose suppose term from LHS to RHS, RHS to LHS, we have taken we have to use that 4 rules. And also 2 variables are given on both sides. Always we should take the variable terms on left side, the numerals are right side. But according to the topic of solving equation that has variables on both sides, you have to practice from the second chapter, third exercise. Exercise number 2.3. So this is today's our homework. In this exercise they are giving some simple equations. In that equations variables are both sides. Just use that 4 rules and find the value of x or y or anything is given. That is called a solution of